So we're here today at the Street Rod Technology Building where we are working in collaboration with Northern Lights School Division. We have 9 teachers in learning about the different processes of street rod technology. At the beginning of this workshop, the instructors had interviewed the teachers to see what they want to be an outcome of this week. Some of them are starting off with various welding techniques. They all get to do different things at different stations. It's not one size fits all. It's tailored to what their needs are.
So that's the easiest way to get full penetration.
Okay. What we learn during the day, we take it with us afterwards, and then we debrief it, and we discuss it, and we analyze it, reflect on it. We talk about, best practices, better techniques, instruction, better differentiated instruction.
Teach yourself to stop in between, wait a little bit, go again, stop.
This is a great opportunity for the teachers to hone their skills, to take back to their schools, to work in their shops. So we enjoy working in collaboration with different school divisions in various aspects of training.